In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Wolf First State coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Wolf First State coupon promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called Technology, and as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with $60 of discount, all you have to do is select get codes from right here, and this is your promo codes. You can simply search for the one that you want to use, and simply select copy code, and you can copy the promo code, and you can use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. So, for example, if you want to get, let's say this one right here with 20% of discount, all you have to do is select copy code, and this is the promo code that you can use and can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.